In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then tap on those three dots at the top right one, select settings and adjust all of those however you want to. Now to create new alarm, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then set up an hour. When you're ready, click on one of those repeat options. Ring once, workdays, or custom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on alarm name. Label your alarm however you want to. And click on ringtone. Now after selecting allow, you need to tap on one of those system themes or click on this device to pick music from your smartphone. Just click on the chosen song and go back. Then select this switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or on. Hit snooze and manage it thanks to the same switcher. And if you decided to enable it, click on interval to pick how many minutes your snooze will take, and times to decide how many minutes it will repeat. When you finish, go back and hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm is here. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit done again. To get rid of it, you need to hold it and click delete at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!